Hey guys, I'm back today with Quinn, and today we're doing the October braid box video, and the hairstyle that we're going to do is a 4-strand ribbon braid. So I've already put Quinn's hair into pigtails. We're going to do the braids on it, and then we're going to add some of the accessories from the box, and we wanted to show you what they are. So in the box you get these cute braid boots that look like witch shoes, and you also get this cute headband. So if you haven't already ordered your box, hurry up and do it. It's only available for a few more days, and you'll be so glad that you did, huh Quinn?
Yeah!
Begin by placing the hair into 2 low ponytails and attaching a piece of ribbon to each. My favorite way to do this is to pass the end of the ribbon under the elastic and then attach the ribbon to itself with double-sided tape. One tip about the ribbon, it needs to be about 1.5 times longer than the hair. Next, divide the ponytail into 4 sections. The ribbon will be one of the sections. To begin the braid, bring number 1 under number 2, over number 3, the ribbon, and under number 4. Then return the ribbon over the other middle section back to the 3rd position. Continue repeating this pattern. Bring number 1 under number 2, over number 3, the ribbon, and under number 4. Then return the ribbon over the other middle section back to the 3rd position. Take number 1 under number 2, over number 3, the ribbon, and under number 4. Then return the ribbon back to the number 3 position. Continue repeating this pattern until done. Just one other tip about this braid, don't do it too tight. If you do, it will cause the braid to twist and not lay down flat. When finished, secure with an elastic. Then add 1 or 2 more elastics to bind the end of the braid tight. Before placing the boot on the braid, notice the ribbon straps on the inside. Use these straps to secure the braid to the inside of the boot with a bobby pin. I recommend that you use 2 bobby pins, one for the front and the other for the back. Now repeat on the other side. Finally, add the headband and you're all done.